Guys, pauwi na kami. We was been in the renewal, the passport renewal, you know. Yes, it's very take time to come here, guys. It's like almost 2 hours. Ja, jag tror det är tomt. Jag vet inte. Jag kan göra så här.
Du kan använda den på McDonalds. Det går.
Now we going back to Tugit, guys.
Sa McDonald's.
Naging yun, nagugutom na daw siya. I want to eat. Want to eat McDonald's. Ay, oh, nice house daw. Yes. Iwan ko what do you think, guys? Is it people live here? Is it rich? I don't know. I'm not very sure about that. In Dandere they have so much nice house. See, but here it's Lidingo. I didn't see very nice house here, but I think it's peaceful to live here. I don't know. You know, I can show you only the place, guys. This is Lidingo. It's Philippine Embassy there. We went, you know. My sambo, they want me to. Yeah, my sambo, he don't like camera, you know. But I want to film here to do I want to do video here because we don't come here often, you know. It's just when we renew the passport. And guys, we renew the passport because we need it when we are applying the my kids citizenship. So that's why I need the passport, because the passport is expire on June, so they need to have passport before expire. And it's always like that. It's 6 months before expire you can go renew your passport, you know. Yeah, that is my family, guys. And yes, I feel so tired like that because I just gave birth 1 month in how many days now. Oh yeah, that's very long. I feel very tired and no energy and like that. So but guys, I think I need to
Go now.
go now. My daughter said I'm so slow. She want to be with me.
Okay, bye.
She's like, bye mama, bye, pagdali. You know. But thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. You know, try to watch my shorts, guys. It's like you can learn something about there. You know, my blogging is about the family, but the shorts like I show our family personal finance, you know, how to manage money like that, about the family like that. I think it's good if you can watch and maybe you can learn something. Yes, and Thank you for watching. Have a good day and keep safe everyone. And see you soon again.